note values like cutting a pizza. You start with one whole pizza, and every time you cut it in half, the pieces get smaller. That's literally what rhythm is. Let's start at the top. This is called a whole note. Think of this as one full beat group, the biggest piece in this chart. Now watch what happens. If we split that whole note into two equal parts, we get two half notes. That's why it's called a half note. Two halves make one whole. Simple. Now split a half note in half again and you get quarter notes. Four quarter notes equal one whole note. So think whole, half, quarter. We're just cutting things smaller and smaller. Now split the quarter note again and we get eighth notes. Eight eighth notes fit inside one whole note. Then split those again and now we have 16th notes. Tiny pieces, super fast notes. And here's the easiest way to think about it. The smaller the note, the faster they usually move. Bigger notes equals longer sounds, smaller notes, shorter sounds. Now let's look at this bottom example because this confuses a lot of beginners. See this note with the little dot beside it? That's called a dotted note. And here's the easiest rule ever. A dot adds half of the note's value. That's it. So if we have a dotted quarter note, you start with a quarter note, then add half of a quarter note. And what's half of a quarter note? An eighth note. So dotted quarter note equals quarter note plus an eighth note. And this rule works for every dotted note. Dot means add half. Quick recap before you forget. Whole note equals biggest. Half notes equals 2 make a whole. Quarter notes equals 4 make a whole. Eighth notes equals 8 make a whole. 16th notes, 16 make a whole. And if there's a dot, just remember, add half. And if you're learning piano, I recommend the Harmono Piano app. You can get sight reading lessons and note-by-note guidance, and it can even detect your wrong notes and give real-time feedback.